caps. They're small little black plastic caps. They'll most likely be damaged upon removal. I used 2 small flatheads to pop them out from either side. I was able to preserve some with the method that I use. Some people like to use needle nose pliers, but I feel like that's a little more damaging. I got them all off pretty seamlessly, and then I went in here with a Phillips 10 to take all the screws out. So I was having trouble getting this piece off. It was because back in the very rear, right here, and right here, there's 2 retaining clips that have to be removed.